No power in the printer, but cable has been plugged in. So what is the problem and how you can fix this problem? Watch this video till the end. Let's start and begin. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this tutorial I will tell you how you can solve this problem. Basically I have already recently told this problem that no power in the printer and the cable is also plugged in, but no, it is not turning on. So how you can fix this problem? You have to open the uh, screw. So from the left side, this is a screw. You have to open this screw. So after opening it, you have to open another screw. Only two screws are available on this printer on the left side. So we have to open the left side cover. So this is second screw. Just we have to open it. You can open this cover from the front. So you have to open it from the only locks are available. You can open the back side door. So you have to open this cover from the left side, and you can open like this, so you can easily open it. After opening, you will see here lot of things. So in the board here you can see that the capacitor is bad. So clearly you can see that this capacitor has been damaged, bad capacitor. So bad, due to bad capacitor fuse, let's check the current. The current is coming, but the fuse also has been damaged due to the damage in capacitor. Due to the short circuit, the fuse also, here you can see that fuser element fuse also has been damaged, and inside narrow, you can see that narrow wire, here you can narrow wire in the fuser element has been damaged. So how you can fix this problem? You have to change the fuse and capacitor, otherwise you can change the power board. It totally depends on you. Either you can change the capacitor and fuse, or you can change completely board. So you can easily do it. So it totally depends on you. So you can easily change the capacitor and fuse, so if you want. Otherwise you can change only power board. This is a separate power board, so you can change it. You can replace it with new one. So here you can see that this you can change the fuse and capacitor. Is this is a good so this is a picture of fuse, you can understand it. Bad capacitors and good capacitors. Here you can see that bad and good capacitor. So this is a good fuse.